Everyone, it's me, Timmy, and me, Tommy here. And today, we're going to teach you how to do the bell glitch on Animal Crossing Mario Road. You have to get into it. Alright, so, first off, you have to have at least 2 100 bells. And second, you have to have a cardboard box. And last, you have to have this much bells. This doesn't have to work with any amount of bells. It can go from 1K to 99,000. So yeah. Anyway, let's do this. So the first thing you gotta do is, over here, you're going to do this. Then first you go get your 100K bells over here, and drag it. Drag everything immediately. And if it doesn't work the first time, it doesn't matter because try a different spot if it doesn't work. So make sure you do it quick, otherwise this won't work. This time you didn't do it quick enough, so we'll go try it again. And you can tell we did this time. So what we gotta do is, you can pick this up or not, it doesn't matter. So what you gotta do is, you go pick up the bells, and then drag the cardboard box and the bells, and pick up the other bells. And boom. You got your bells. This is good for house expansions and paying off loans, so yeah, Timmy, what do you think? It's this glitch is actually not also compatible with bells, it's actually compatible with any other item besides items. Wait, really? Yeah, let me show you. So, alright. It's a good idea to get your fossil room completed. So, yeah. So, same thing as before. And there we go. Same thing as before. And there we go. That's how you do the bell glitch / duplication glitch. Yep, I really enjoy this glitch. Have you, Timmy? Yep, I have. Anyways, thanks for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this small tutorial how to do this glitch, since it's amazing, it's fun, and this could be an easy way to get your bells, to get a lot of bells, and your museum filled up with fossils. Yep, and we'll see you for another episode of what's next on the channel. Yep, see ya, bye, yeah, bye.